Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on making pockets. I don't have a particular pocket. What we're going to be doing is going through this book that's been deconstructed, and I'm putting this together for my mom's wedding book. And we're going to go through the book and just add pockets because I still have a really long way to go. And I thought that this would be a really good opportunity. So first one, I had set this in here because I wanted to do some sort of cutout, like a side corner pocket. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut these leaves off, and then we're gonna cut around that rose so that the woman is peeking out through the back. And now we're just gonna cut around the rose and turn it into a pocket to sit right there in that little corner. Okay, I think that's gonna be a cute little corner pocket. So let's ink it up. We're going to glue it down. We're not going to glue it all the way into like the corner here because we want it to open and close, and we don't want to make the spine too thick. So we're just going to glue it on these two sides. 1 and 2. So we'll add some embellishments to this, of course. I also have some of this scrap fabric that I think would go really pretty, like something like this. Like an edging. I like that. Maybe if we put it out bigger, it could be like more of a pocket. It's kind of, this is actually really thick to go inside the book. So maybe that's not a good idea to put so much thickness on this. Maybe like, no, let's save this for something else. I really like that though. What if we do, let's see, some tulle. Oh, this is cute. Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna do something like this, and we just need to find out what to put on the edge of this to cover that so it can be more of a pocket. So we'll put something over this, and then this will be like peeping out. Or if we put this one, yep, we're gonna do this one, but we're gonna cut around some of these. Okay, we're gonna put it like this. So I'm gonna ink the edges of this, and then we're gonna glue the lace onto it. And now we're just gonna glue around the edges to get it to stay just up to the lace, and then once we have it placed, we'll glue around the lace. Once this is dry a little bit, we'll trim that edge, and then we'll put something on here to cover it up, like sequins or something. Let's make a little cluster to go on here. Let's see. Do like this. Like a little cluster pocket, maybe? This one here is some paper that we made, like actually made from scratch. I'll leave this in the description box below. Handmade paper. So something like that. This may be with some texture. A neutral-ish color back there, maybe. Okay. Pinkish color. No. Yeah, we're gonna do this one. Okay, so how we're gonna do this is we're just going to put them all together kind of in any which way, and then we're gonna staple it, and then we're gonna put something on the top to cover up the staple. So like that, and then this can glue down here like that, and then we can get out some of our trusty stickers. Let's see if we can find a sticker in here to match well. Let's see if we can get like a transparent type sticker up there. Whoops. Something like, no, something vintagey like this one. Why? I don't know. I love it. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna use it. And then that's how cute a cluster is. You can tack down a little bit more of this so it doesn't flip up and get all stuck everywhere. This is almost dry. This glue dries pretty fast, I gotta say. And then we want to put something along the edges here to make those a little bit fancy. What can we put along those edges? Let's just put another little flower. I don't know about you guys, but I have a hard time taking off the backs of these stickers. Holy mother of macaroni. Oh my gosh, I almost had it. Okay. There, I like that. That's cute. And then we will put, what will we put? Oh, let's put one of these green washi tapes with foil. So it can kind of like jazz it up-ish maybe. Let's see, what can we find? This one? Yeah, maybe. If I can find the, there it is. Okay, now let's cut this off. We still gotta cover that up with something. What do we cover it up with? A butterfly. Yeah? Yeah, let's see if we could find a butterfly. Or a couple of butterflies? No, I don't know yet. We're gonna leave it as is until I can get some more ideas. But this will be in one pocket and one pocket, this side and that side. Here we're gonna have to figure something out here, like what to do on this end. And what about this side? Okay, let's move on because I think I have an idea for, oh, here we go. I want to cut these out and put them in one of these pages. And I also want to cut this out and turn it into like a fold out. So let's do that first. I really like both of these photos. So one's going to be on the inside, one's going to be on the outside. So this one first. Gonna be like this, and then it's gonna be folded, right? Yeah, I think so. A little bit less than the cup, because we want the cup, but we don't want all the blank space. So there, and then like that. So this is gonna be like, you'll unfold it like that, yes. And then I'm gonna cut this down, and this is gonna be a little tuck, and that will be inside there. Yeah? Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. So we'll cut this down. Let's do it with the ruler. I'll rip with the ruler. Oh, but I wanted this little guy. Maybe we'll put a little tuck here, and then that folds over it. Like that. Okay. We're gonna take off this white part. And then let's ink the edges. Actually, we're gonna take this off too. Okay, so this is gonna get glued down, and we're gonna put a pocket here. This is just gonna fold over, and this is gonna fold in. Yeah? Yep. So what pocket here? What should we use for a pocket? Okay, we're gonna use the rest of that sheet that we used from before to put the pocket in here. So let's cut it down so it fits in between and isn't hanging over. And then we have this like little rosebud that's gonna pop up from the background. And then we're gonna do another little cluster in here. So let's cut this edge off. Actually, let's tear each edge. Let's tear all the edges. This one shall be like that. Yeah. Okay. Now, before we put anything on it, like to decorate it, let's just glue it down, 3 ends. But then I want to put something in the pocket so there's like room. Not that. Let's put this so it's a little bit thicker. There's like a little bit of room to put stuff in it. And then we'll leave that to dry for a moment before we take it off. Is that dried already? So now let's glue this down. Let's ink this bottom edge. And then we'll glue this down all the way to the outer edge that we can. And we can put something in here, flip it in. This is the belly band. We'll definitely be adding more to this page once I get more ideas. Okay, so to cover one of these pages, I want to do like stacked pockets. I think I want to go in one way, like that on one side, and then maybe up on the other, or maybe just one. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. I do love this paper. So we'll use this paper at like the bottom of it. Let's get this. So that'll be like the shallow pocket to the side, and then we'll need a bigger pocket. Oh, I love this one this way. I don't want to use that. Oh, maybe the second layer could be words, right? In the background. Yeah, let's do that. Like the second layer is the book page, 1 inch. And then we need another layer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I loved that one and I ripped it in half. Always check both sides. Check both sides because I just messed up one of my favorites. Okay, I'm saving this to something else because I'm thinking I'm not using it like that. But I do have plenty I can still use like with words, I'm sure. This one, we can use this one for words still. These are all the extra pages that I took out of this book. So we'll do it like this. I'll take this off and then we'll make this edge straight to the writing. And so this will be one pocket and this will be another. I don't think I like the writing like this though. I need writing on the whole thing. Here, you guys. Decisions. Okay, we're gonna do it like this. Yeah. Put this here and that there. We'll take these words. And then next, we need another. Let's use this one. Yeah. Like that. But then let's cut this in like these edges. These two edges. Let's use scissors to give it a little bit of a nicer. Okay, so we're gonna glue them like this to this. But before we glue those, we're gonna cover up this ugly piece here with this. Yes. There we go. I think I'm gonna trim this back one down a little bit just so that there's not so much bulk. These are really thick papers. Plus, I could use this strip in another spot. And so these are just gonna go on this like top edge here, or get glued on the top edge. Oh my goodness, Crystal, speak proper. And then on this edge also. Then these will come here. Oh no, we didn't. Oh, you busted freaking. I can't believe I did that. Okay. So I made it too short and now it doesn't cover this whole thing. So we're going to need to do another little fix. What should our little fix be to cover this cute little gap? I know this. No, that doesn't go. But something like that. Maybe. What about some packaging paper? Oh, yeah. We'll put some packaging paper. Okay. And some ink. Use the glue stick. There we go. That's perfect. Close this back up. Now we can glue this on. There we go. All right. Now we have pockets all the way down. 1, 2, 3. And let's close it up so it stays together and it'll dry, and then we'll come back to decorate it later. Okay, push it down, push it down. This guy, I didn't ink him. I forgot, I guess, at some point. I think I want to do some embellishments on this page now. Okay, let's see. This is supposed to stick out a little bit. Now, what to do here? Let's get some, let's check our scraps. The little baby horse there. Okay, so now this book also has a lot of like borders. So I'm gonna go through and see if I can find a cool border for that top. Something like, okay, we need some more ideas. We need some more in here. What can we put in here? Can we make, oh no, I don't want to cover up that. I wouldn't make a belly band on this whole thing like that, but not on the words. It's gotta be on something decorative like this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Putting stuff in? I can't decide. I like how that turned out. This side. Yep. I'm gonna put it on this side. I know there's one here and there's one there, but that's okay because it's so cute. It is so cute. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna cut this, maybe with different scissors. I'm gonna turn this into another band, and then we can just decorate it all the way down the edge or all the way down the center. So right after this clip, I ran out of space on my camera. So enjoy what we've done so far today with the pockets, and we will revisit the next time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so you can get notified when new videos release. Also, I'm almost to 75,000 subscribers. If you could please share with your friends, I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and we will see you next time.